Good morning, ma'am.
Farhin, say good morning.
Here I am.
Here I am.
Also, here I am, ma'am.
Very good girl. So sweet of you.
Hi.
Smile. Good girl. Give a smile. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Hinal. Hinal. I think Hinal also not yet joined, right? Okay. Hinal is not there. Okay. Kesha. Kesha, say here I am. Ke- say Kesha, here I am, ma'am. Say. You used to say no, Keshav, regularly. Okay. Litiksha. Okay, no problem. Litiksha.
Here I am, ma'am. Hello. நம்ம சொல்லுடா. Here
Say
I am, ma'am.
Litiksha,
சொல்லு.
good girl. Very good girl. Say, here I am. Hello, Litiksha. Okay, okay, okay. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, say, here I am, ma'am. Madhu? No, Madhu is not there. Sai Shivanya. Very good girl. Sai Mira. Say Sai. Very good, Sai Mira. Varsha. Varsha also not yet joined, I think. No. Okay, children. Okay, fine. Now all stand up for the prayer. All stand up for the prayer, children. Yes, stand up. Very good,
Ma'am, I
very good,
missed.
very good. Yes, yes. Stand up. Close your eyes. Join your hands. Saimira, join your hands and stand. Good girl. Very nice, very nice. Say Kidzi and children say along with me. Okay. Kidzi anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath the flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Open. All open your eyes. Put your hands down. Yes, 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 yes. Shall we do some practice, breathing exercise, children? Yes? Are you ready? Sit, fold your legs and sit. Keep your finger in the chin mudra. Yes, very nice, very nice. Sit straight. Wow, very beautiful, children. Sit straight. Come on, breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Yes. Yes. Now stand up all. All stand up. Shall we do some exercise to refresh ourselves? Yes, right. Stand up. Stand up. Yeah. Jump, jump, jump. First give a good jump. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Now wave your hands 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, do like that. First exercise. One, one, two, three, four. Do like that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Very good, very good, very good. Nice to see you all. Very nice, very nice. Good children, good children, good children. What's the next we are going to do now? Yes? Rolly, rolly, rolly. Shall we do? Yes? Rolly, rolly, rolly. Come on, do all of you. Do like this. Rolly, poly, rolly. Big, big, big. Rolly, poly, rolly. Small, small, small. Rolly, poly, rolly. Tall, tall, tall. Roly poly roly. Short, short, short. Yes, roly poly roly. Wide, wide, wide. Roly poly roly. Narrow, narrow, narrow. Narrow, narrow, narrow. Yes. Roly poly roly. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Roly poly roly. Cry, cry, cry. How to cry? Yes. Roly poly roly. Hot, hot, hot. Roly poly roly. Cold, cold, cold. Yes. Roly poly roly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Fast. Yes. Roly poly roly. Slowly, slowly. Fast. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Happy, right? Now, ma'am is going to say, here we go round the mulberry bush. Are you ready? Yes? Come on, do. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Go round, go round. Come on. Very nice, very nice. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on the cold and frosty morning. This is the way we brush your teeth. All brush your teeth. This is the way we brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. This is the way we brush your teeth on the cold and frosty morning. This is the way we take your bath. Take your bath. Take your bath. This is the way we take your bath on the cold and frosty morning. This is the way we wear your dress, wear your dress, wear your dress. This is the way we wear your dress on the cold and frosty morning. This is the way we have your breakfast, have your breakfast, have your breakfast. This is the way we have your breakfast on the cold and frosty morning. This is the way we pray to God, pray to God, pray to God. This is the way we pray to God on the cold and frosty morning. This is the way we walk to school, walk to school, walk to school. This is the way we walk to school on the cold and frosty morning. Yes, right, children? Are you happy, right? Yes? If you're happy and if you're yes, are you happy means really happy means show your laughy face, smiley face. All show your smiley face. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Good, good children. Okay, Hinal, good morning, dear. Hinal, now only you are joining, right? Yes, okay, good morning. Okay, children. So I told you, right? Today is Litiksha's birthday. Shall we wish her? Come and join. All, let's wish her. Okay?
Happy birthday to you.
Wait. When I say, you start and sing. Okay?
Litisha, happy birthday. Happy birthday, sir.
Yes, happy birthday, Litiksha. Yes, now speak, children. All say happy birthday, Litiksha. Okay, let's all sing together the birthday song to Litiksha. Yes, children. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Litiksha. Happy birthday to you. And may God bless you. And may God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Letitia. Happy birthday to you. All clap your hands and wish Letitia. Yes, all clap your hands and very good. Letitia, say thank you to everyone.
Thank you, friends.
Say thank you, friends. Thank you, ma'am. Should say like that, okay?
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, Letitia giving chocolate. Get on chocolate, children. Yes, all go and get on chocolate. Yes, I got it. I got a chocolate. Very tasty. Laughed, okay? Very
Yes,
nice. Children, other mute your mic, mute. Yes. Letitia, oh yes, one more. Okay, I'll take one more chocolate. Okay, thank you, dear. Children, once again you wish Litiksha happy birthday. Litiksha, say. All say together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, happy birthday, Litiksha. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Yes, children. Enough. Put your mic mute. Litiksha, now you say thank you, friends, and thank you, ma'am. Say, Litiksha. Say louder. Thank you, friends. You feel shy, Litiksha? Yes, may God bless you abundantly, dear. Okay? Eh? You will succeed all the good things in your life. Okay? God will be always with you. Yes, right? Okay. Very good, Litiksha. Stay blessed. Lead a happy and prosperous life. Okay? Okay, children? Yes, okay. And moreover, one more day we are going to celebrate today. What is that, you know? You know, children? What day is this? This is not a Independence Day. Tomorrow will be the Independence Day. But today we are going to celebrate Independence Day. Because of that, we wore green color dress to show our prosperity. Yes, right? Yes, you know? Very good, children. Yes. Before that, ma'am is going to give a message for Independence Day. Okay, right? Yeah, wait. What is this, children? Do you know what is it? This is our national flag. Yes. Tricolor flag. Yes. What are the colors in our national flag? Can you say? Orange, white, and green. Yes. What is the orange color tends to you? It tells the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Yes, sacrifice of our freedom fighters. So it's the orange color in our flag. Okay. What is the middle white color? White color means it's a peace. Yes, we should lead a peaceful life. Because of that, the white color is there in our flag. And then the bottom one, what color is that? Green color, right? Green color means the prosperity of our country. Our country is a wealthy country. Yes, we can see everywhere it's a greeny nation. India is a greeny nation. India is surrounded by 3 sides of water and one side has a land. So it's known as a what is that? Unique nation. Yes, right? Yes? Okay. Fine, children. So, okay, children. First of all, wait, mute your mic. All mute your mic. First of all, I would like to wish you all a happy Independence Day, children. Say happy Independence Day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, welcome children, welcome. So actually Independence Day is our national festival, Kana. This is our national festival. Do you know why do we celebrate Independence Day? It's a tribute to the fallen heroes of our freedom fighters. Okay, fallen heroes and the freedom fighters. We should tribute them. There are so many peoples who fought for our nation, children. They lost their lives, their what is this? Their wealth, life, everything they sacrificed for our nation. Before that, before independent India, we were ruled by the British government. They ruled our nation and they treat our people in a very bad manner. Okay, our national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose from Tamil Nadu. There are so many peoples where fight for freedom. You know who are they? One of Subramania Bharati, Vavu Chidambaram Pillai, and Tirupur Kumaran. There are so many heroes are fought for our nation, Kana. It reminds us the sacrifice of the freedom fighters. This day reminds us as of the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. You know when India got freedom? Yes, India got freedom at 1947, 15th August. Okay, 15th August of 1947. So tomorrow will be a 15th August, right? So every year to remembrance of the independent India and heroes of the war. So we celebrate this Independence Day, children. Got it? This is the story of our Independence Day. Okay. So what is the message for you now, children? Be a good Indian. Be a good citizen. Be a good child of your house. Okay. What are they? Be a good child of your house. Be a good citizen of our nation. Be a good Indian. Okay. Jai Hind. Yes, right, children. Okay, all say Jai Hind. Yes, say Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Say yes, Jai Hind. Which is our nation? Which is our mother nation? Say India. Say all of you. Yes. Whether you are a Bengali, you are a Malayali, you are a Telugu, you are a Kannadian, you are a Assami, Bihari, whomever you are. But we are also stand as a Indians. Okay. One name. What is that? Indian. Say proud to be an Indian. Come on, say children. I'm proud to be an Indian. Say I am. Say children. I am proud to be yes, to be an Indian. Yes, all clap your hands for our national flag and give a salute our national flag. Yes, yes, very nice. Yes, okay, children. So I have one activity for you, children. Are you ready to do the activity? Yes, are you ready? Okay. I hope you might have all the materials which I asked to bring yesterday, right? Do you have with you? Yes, show me your materials. Come on. Show me your colors. What are the things I asked you to bring, children? Say green color, orange color, yes, navy blue color, I need navy blue color, and a piece of carrot, pieces of lady's finger, and on A4 sheet, and a ice cream sheet, and a glue. Yes, right? Do you have? I hope. Come on, take your things. Keep it on your table. Keep it in front of you. Yes. Now, first of all, you have to cut the paper. A4 sheet, cut it as 10 into 6 size. Okay. Ask your parent to cut and give children. Yes, right. Yes, take your paper. 10 into 6. 6 is the length, 10 is the breadth. Okay. Okay, right? Make it as a piece like this. Yes, ready? And divide this paper as a 3 equal parts. It's a 6 in height, no? Make it as 2 centimeter. Yes, 2 centimeter like this. Yes, divide it as a 2 centimeter. And draw a line. Yes. Draw a line, children. Yes, yes, yes. Now take your colors. Draw a line. Yes. Draw a line like this. Yes, okay. Got it? Now first cut your lady's finger. Cut your lady's finger into 2 half. Yes, already it's ready. It means first dip into the orange color. Take orange color paint. Yes, take orange color paint and dip the lady's finger. And in the top portion, you have put the impression of lady's fingers. Lady's finger. Okay. Put the lady's finger impression. Dip into the paint. Gently dip into the paint. Okay. Densely you give the impression of lady's finger. Dense, very close impressions. In the top portion of the paper. Okay. Yes. Give the lady's finger to the children. Let them put the impression. You hold their parents, please. You hold their hand and make them to. Yes, and make them to do. Yes, okay. Very densely, darkly. Yes. Only the top portion alone. We have divided into 3 portions, right? Only the top portions we have to give the orange color impression of a lady's finger. Okay. Yes, right. Yes, orange finished. Simply you just put like this. Tap, 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 tap. Yes, very nice. Wow, very nice, Farheen. Good job. Now, take the another one piece of the lady's finger and dip into the green color and give the bottom portion. Yes, the down portion you have to give green color impression. Green color lady's finger impression in the down portion. Little bit densely give impressions. Very nice children. Now give green color impression like this. Yes, the down portion, top portion orange color, down portion green color. Litiksha, are you doing Litiksha? Very good, very good. Shivanya, good job. Jason, wow, very good Jason, very nice, very nice. Wow, super. Madhu, Adan, Adan doing? Very nice Adan, very cute. Wow, excellent, excellent. Green also finish means cut a carrot like a small, tiny, thin pieces, lengthy, thin pieces, like a stick, like a stick. Um, cut the carrot as a stick shape. Yes.
Ma'am, we don't have carrots.
Yes, Sarhin.
We don't have carrots.
You don't have carrot. Okay. Take some other vegetable. What vegetable you have? Otherwise, you take a small stick.
Okay.
A small stick or something, you dip into the navy blue color and make a spokes chakra, okay, in the middle portion. Yes, the middle portion you make it as a spokes like a chakra. Yes, do like this. This completely vegetable print. That's why I asked you to bring a carrot and a lady's finger. Yes, Keshav, you are not doing Keshav? Made it? Show me Keshav. Ah, very nice, very nice. Finished green color. Very nice, Saimira. Very nice. Now you draw the chakra in the white portion. Okay. If you don't have carrot, means take a earbud or something. Dip into the color and draw like a lines, like spokes.
Miss கூப்பிடு.
Yes, dear. Finish, Litiksha. Very good. Down you give green color. Yes, up red color, down green color, the same way. Very good, very good. Carry on. Saimira, very nice it is. Very nice, Saimira. Show me. Down, little down. Wow, very nice it is. Very good.
Finished.
Wow, excellent. Now what you are going to do now? Take it and stick on the ice cream stick. Like this. Like this you have to stick in the ice cream stick. Yeah, of course. Very nice. No, from top to like this. Yeah, very nice national flag. Super, Shivanya. Wash your hand. Shivanya. Very good, children. All are doing in a nice way. Farheen, finish. Saimira, Jason, Adan. Wow, very nice, Farheen. Stick it on the ice cream stick. Yes, that's it. Your national flag has ready. Wow, super. Very nice. Yes, come on. Wow, wave your flag. Say, Shivanya, say Jai Hind. Yes?
We want to sing a national anthem.
Yes. Come on, sing. Sing.
Louder.
Jai Jai Bharat Bhagya Vigana.
All stand up, children.
Louder.
We'll have at the end of the session, madam.
Yes.
That will be better.
Yes, fine. Yes, Shivanya.
End of session.
Kanna, end of the session you can sing. Yes, okay.
Okay.
You sing and wind up the session. Very nice, dear. Very nice. Very good flag you made. Very nice. Wow. Yes, Litiksha, lift up. Yes, very nice, Litiksha. Good job. Say, what is this, Litiksha? What is it? National flag. Very good. Our national flag. What are the color? What are the tricolors in the national flag?
Orange.
Say, Litiksha. Orange. Yes. Orange for our freedom fighters sacrifice. Okay, orange show our sacrifice. Green shows the peace and white shows the peace and the green shows the prosperity of our country. Okay. Yes, very nice. Yes, children. Yes. Carry on. Very good, Keshav. Keshav, nice work. Saimira, show me. Saimira, show me. Turn this side. Oh, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Very nice, very nice. Can't see your flag, Saimira. Ah, yes, very cute flag. Yes. Wow, excellent, Farheen. Superb job, Farheen. Very nice job. Very nice. What about the others, children? Yes, welcome, welcome, dear. Very great job. Okay. Keep the flag on your living room. Okay. Keep it on a stand or somewhere. Okay, children. You made it, na? You made it our national flag. Yes. So nice it looks. Jason made it very nice, Jason. 1 or 2 flags you made it. Very good, very good. Good job, dear. Jason, excellent job. Wow, very nice. Very good, very good. Jason made 2 flags, children. See?
One with my help and without help, ma'am.
Ah, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, okay. No problem. Adam, Adam, you done this? Have you done this, Adam? Adam, show me your flag. Yes, very nice, Adam. Super flag. Come on, wave the flag. Adam. Yes. Wow, wow, wow. Very good. So all are finished, right? Okay, okay, children. We should be proud to be an Indian, okay? Yes. Okay. Finish means all wash your hands. All wash your hands. Go and wash your hands and come back. Your hands have paint and all, no? Go. Clean up your hands and come back. Yes, right? Good. Very nice, Adam. Super. Okay, children. Fine. Keep your place clean. Yes, make your place clean. Come on. All of you. Good, good, good. Clean up your place. Okay, fine. Fine, fine. Okay. Shall we close our session by singing the national song? National anthem? Yes? We have started our session with our kids anthem and closing our session with national anthem. Yes, ready, children? All hold the flag and stand straight. Shivanya is going to sing the national anthem. Yes, children? Are you ready to hear? Shivanya, are you ready to sing? Yes? Wait. Wait, let's all stand up first. All stand up. All stand up, children. Yes, stand straight. Keep your hands straight. Yes, Shivanya, sing. Sing louder.
Louder.
Louder. Yes, ready, start. अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जाग सिंध गुजराती मराठा कलवंगा yes विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्चल
जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जाहे तब शुभ आशीष माहे जाहे तब जय गादा
जन गण
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे very good very good very good children all clap hands and appreciate Shivanya. Yes, very nice way you sung the song. This is our national anthem. Okay children, did you enjoy all? Yes. Okay, be a good Indian. Okay children. Yes, once again I'll wish you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Bye bye children.
Independence Day.
Yes.